Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into one of WhatsApp Web's newest and most useful updates, the ability to star share documents directly from your computer. If you work with a lot of files or collaborate with teams using WhatsApp, this feature is going to make your workflow smoother than ever. So let's go step by step and see exactly how it works. First, open WhatsApp Web on your browser and sign in by scanning the QR code with your phone if you aren't already logged in. Once your chats load, look over to the left side menu, you'll notice a small media icon there. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll see different categories for your shared media like photos, videos, links, and now docs. Click on Docs to open all the documents shared in your chats. This is where you'll find every file from PDFs and spreadsheets to Word documents that you've sent or received. Now, take a look at the top of your screen. You should see a select icon. Click on that. This enables selection mode, allowing you to choose multiple documents at once. Simply click on any documents you want to mark as important or revisit later. Once you've selected your document, look for the star icon at the top of the window. Click on it, and just like that, those files are now starred. They'll stay saved under your starred section, making them quick and easy to find the next time you open WhatsApp Web. This new feature is all about keeping your important files within reach, cutting out the need to scroll endlessly through chat history. Whether you're managing work files, study materials, or personal documents, starring them on WhatsApp Web makes organization effortless. And that's it. You now know how to star shared documents on WhatsApp Web using the latest update. If this tip helped you, make sure to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this one.